Well, I got a little bit of time here, so I'm going to review these products. I don't know what my hair looks like, so oh, I'll put a hat on so you'll know it's me. This is not cheap by my standards. This shaving cream was probably close to $10, but it's not a foam. It's actually a real cream. So you don't take much more than enough to put on the tip of your finger, your index finger, and spread it all over your face, and it's awesome. It smells great. Of course, it smells stronger than I'm accustomed to, which I'd normally done my shopping at Family Dollar and such. But every time I'd go into shave, the end would come off the end of my razor. And I thought about buying a straight razor to cure that, because the truck stops are now all selling the straight razors, but they also sell these. And this is really quite hefty. It's kind of heavy. You can see the stainless steel that really locks into on the blade. And because it was in this and I keep losing them, I decided I put the blade back after I finished. So I'll just it's actually 6 blades. But like I said, it's quite heavy. And the handle on a straight razor was actually plastic. I didn't like that. So I wouldn't have got that same feel. And just an awesome shave. So the razor and this, all this right there, honestly, was $30. But you come to appreciate the small things while you're in the back of a truck. And getting a nice shave is one of them. And Duke Cannon has all kind of things they're selling now at the truck stops. And even though it was pricey, I feel as though it was some really good stuff. I want to try more. Oh. Remember, it's got to compete with the smell of diesel fuel at the truck stops. So, like the older guys I knew growing up, it really has an aroma.